Welcome to my channel Easy to Follow. So in today's video I will show you how we can apply Aadhaar PVC card online. Okay, so from UIDAI portal you can easily order your Aadhaar PVC card just by paying 50 rupees. Okay, this Aadhaar PVC card is more secure, durable, pocket size, easily you can easily hold in your wallet, okay, or ATM card holder. So it is more secure because it has introduced some more feature. Okay, so later in this video I'll explain like what are the feature is added and how you can order. So let's see. So far you can order your other PVC card from your mobile as well as from your laptop. So if you're using mobile, you can go to your Google Chrome browser, okay, make it desktop mode and then follow the same. Okay, I'm using my laptop, so I'll show you here. So first, you have to type UIDAI. So UIDAI is a registered or government site. It is for Aadhaar. Okay, so in this side, the first link uidi.gov.in. So here you have to go. So once you click, this type of page will open and then you have to choose your language. So here it has so many language. So here I am choosing English. Okay, so once you click, now it is look this page will open up like this. Okay, now click My Aadhaar. So once you click My Aadhaar, it will ask you to log in with your Aadhaar number and OTP. Okay, if you see, so here you have to log in. So click login. Now it is asking to enter your Aadhaar number, enter captcha code and then log in with your OTP. So here you have to enter your Aadhaar number. This captcha code, if you are not able to read, you can reload it several times. Okay, reload it and then if it is readable, then you can enter the captcha code and then click login with OTP. So if you fill these things and if you click login with OTP, you will get a one-time password in your registered mobile number which is linked with your Aadhaar. Okay, so in that mobile number from UIDAI, you will get a SMS. That OTP is valid for next 10 minutes. Okay, so let me enter my Aadhaar number and this captcha code and login in. Okay, okay, I have entered my captcha code. Now login with OTP. So validate captcha code is validated. Now enter OTP. So now I am waiting for the OTP. Now I just received the OTP. Okay, I've just received the OTP. So I'll enter my OTP. So it is valid for next 10 minutes. Now login in. So once I click, so I'm able to log in to my Aadhaar. So here it is showing my photo. Okay, so now it has following options. One is document update. This is one new notification came. Okay, I'll try to prepare one more video regarding this, like what is these options and how you can use it. Okay, so once you click login, this page will come up. Okay, so here it is showing so many options. Okay, so for your case, if you see, this is download Aadhaar, so you can download your Aadhaar which is digitally signed and password protected electronic copy of your Aadhaar. Okay, this is order Aadhaar PVC. So this option is the option you have to click for order your PVC Aadhaar card. Address update, bank seeding, generate virtual ID, lock unlock biometric. So these are another options. So So for your case, you have to click here, Order Aadhaar PVC. So once you click, so this page will come up. Now in this page, it is mentioned that get your Aadhaar card like this, which is more durable because it is made up of PVC plastic, so more durable, okay, and convenient to carry in wallet. So you can easily carry in wallet because it is like a credit card size, so you can easily put it in your wallet or credit card holder. Okay, order for 50 rupees including your GST and speed post charges. So you have to pay 50 rupees to order your other PVC card, and within 15 days, you will, maybe less than that, you will get it delivered in your registered address, which is mentioned in your Aadhaar card. It has added secure QR code. One QR code is there in the back side. Hologram, one hologram is added. This is hologram. This red color hologram is there. One guillotine pattern is there. So in this plate, if you will see one pattern texture is there. So and one ghost image and micro text. Ghost image is this black and white ghost image of your image. So basically this is black and white image is added, this is ghost image, and micro text. So one micro text is written in very small, you can see only using magnifying glass. Okay, so these are the feature added to secure your Aadhaar card more, to make it more secure. Okay, so here is that format. So you will look, it will look like this. So it will have your name, date of birth, gender, your Aadhaar number, issue date is also mentioned, when it is issued, and printing date, when it is printed. So this Aadhaar card, when it is printed, so you will get to know like when you have applied and when you got your Aadhaar card. And this is QR code, anyone can easily scan your QR code to check and validate. Okay, so from the Aadhaar, they have mentioned that all type of Aadhaar issued by UIDAI are equally valid. Okay, so this is e-Aadhaar, which you can download from your My Aadhaar e-Aadhaar, which is also digitally signed. If you see, if I zoom it, so which is digitally signed. This is your Aadhaar letter. So generally earlier we used to get like this. If you order your Aadhaar, you will get like earlier we used to get like this. Now it is this is the modern one, Aadhaar PVC card. So it will if you order now, you will get like this. Okay, this PVC Aadhaar card. Okay, so now I'll come back to my page. So once you log in, then if you click Order Aadhaar PVC card, this page will come up. Now in this preview section, you can scroll down and check, or you can click here to check whether your Aadhaar details are mentioned correctly or not. If it is mentioned correctly, then go to next tab. So once you click next tab, so it is written like, dear resident, you would be charged Rs 50 rupees including GST and speed post charge for the PVC Aadhaar card. Okay, now you have to click I agree. Okay, now go for payment. So once you click payment option, so there are multiple payment option will come. Okay, one is net banking. If you click net banking, several banks are listed, so you can choose your net banking like if you have your net banking in SBI, you can choose SBI, HDFC, ICICI, like that. So net banking, I'll not choose net banking. So wallet is also another option, easy option. Wallet is, you can use your phone pay UPI, or you can use Airtel Payment Bank. You can pay through Geo Money, MobiQuick wallet, okay, Ola Money. So these are all wallet options. So another option is card. So you can use your debit card or credit card to pay. Another option is UPI. So in the downside, if you click UPI, so it will show you like all UPI app like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Bheem, Paytm, Cred UPI, Amazon Pay, WhatsApp Pay. So these are all UPI payment method. You can choose any one of them and you can easily pay. Okay, so in my case I will choose scan and pay because I'm using I have opened this page in my laptop, so I can easily scan and pay through my mobile. So if you click scan and pay, it will ask you to generate a QR code. So you can just click this, so it will generate a QR code. Okay, now I can open my Google Pay or Phone Pay, any of the application, and then I can scan this. Okay, once I scan it is asking me to pay. So here this is a scan the QR code and pay 50 rupees using apps enabled with the UPI QR and complete this payment. You have to complete this payment within 5 minutes. The timer is going on, so you have to do the payment or complete the payment within 5 minutes. Okay, in downside the Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, Amazon Pay, all options are showing. So now I'm paying through my Google Pay. Yes, payment is done successfully. Now here it is also showing that your payment is done successfully. So transaction status, it is showing success. Okay, Uh, it will give you one SRN number. So one SRN number is generated. Now payment date, today is the 28th May. So 28th May I have made this payment and 50 rupees. It is asking me to download the acknowledgement, so you can download it and save it locally just for your reference. Okay, now go to the SMS, you will get the SRN number as well. Okay, so there it will mention your order for Aadhaar PVC card with SRN number has been successfully placed. You will get the tracking details through SMS on dispatch. Okay, so this message you will receive once you place the order and do the payment successfully. Okay, so I hope I'm able to, so I hope it is very clear, like how to order Aadhaar PVC card online through My Aadhaar portal. Okay, so hope this video is very useful to you. You can easily follow the steps and you can order your Aadhaar PVC card online. Okay, so it will come like this, and it is, and all three formats are valid. So nowadays this is a modern Aadhaar card basically, so everyone should get this advanced, more secure Aadhaar card. I hope all the steps are very clear. You can, so I'll summarize it again. So you have to first log in to your My Aadhaar using your Aadhaar number and your OTP received in your registered mobile number. Once you log in, the page will come up like this. Then you have to click Order Aadhaar PVC card, this option. Once you click this option, then it will ask you to do the 50 rupees payment. Once you have done this payment successfully, so you will get a SRN number. That SRN number, and you will get a that SRN number you will get in SMS as well. And after some time you will get a tracking number of a speed post. So basically it will come with Indian speed post, so you will get a tracking number of Indian speed post, so you can track this number. Within 10-15 days the Aadhaar card will be delivered to your registered address, which is mentioned in your Aadhaar card. I hope this video is very useful to you. So if you feel that this video is useful, please do like this video, share this video with your friend, and subscribe my channel, so that it will motivate me to create this type of content which is easy to follow. Thank you.